Okay, so we did some of these in at the end of the last homework. So this is going to be pretty familiar to you, I think. It says, what is the largest n so that 3 to the n, and that straight line means long divides into 1134. This says 3 to the n divides evenly into 1134. And so that's the question. What is the largest n so that 3 to the n divides into 1134? So how we going to answer that question? Well, basically, we're gonna need to see how many 3's are in 1134. I think you know from the last assignment. So let's take that 1134 and let's start breaking it down. So what's in 1134? Well, it's 2, and then so I'm going to take 1134 and divide by 2. It's 2 times 567. I knew 2 went in because 1134 ended even, right? So when something ends with an even number, it's divisible by 2. So now I've got 567. 567 is not divisible by 2 because it doesn't end even. So I'll try 3 on my calculator. I'm using my calculator right now. And that worked. 3 times 189. And then I'll just try 3 again. Divide by 3 again. 63. Whoops. 3 times 63. And then 63, I recognize that one. 7 times 9. And then 9 is 3 times 3. Okay. So all these numbers that are the primes that can't break down further, those are the building blocks of the 1134, not the other numbers, right? They all broke apart. So what are we left with? 2, and then how many 3's? It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 3's times 7, right? A 2 and a 7. So there's the prime factorization of the 1134. 1134 is 2 times 3 to the 4th times 7. That's the guts of an 1134. That's what's inside of an 1134. So the question is then, back to the original question, 3 to what power divides evenly into 1134? Now that we know 1134 is 2 times 3 to the 4th times 7. So 1134 is that. It's 2 times 3 to the 4th times 7. So what's the largest n? What's the largest power we can put on a 3 and have it divide into that 1134?
4.
Yeah, exactly. It's just the power on the 3. It's the 4. It's just the power. The answer is just the 4, not the 3 to the 4th, because they just want the n, right? They just want the largest n. They just want the power. Yeah, it's the 4th power. That's right, because it's just a matter of finding out how many 3's are in your 1134. There's 4 3's in your 1134. So that means 3 to the n, the biggest power you can put on it is 4, because 4 3's go in there. That's how many 3's 1134 contains. Is that making sense? Questions on that?